Okay Google, how is the weather?
Currently in New Delhi, it's 25 with haze. There will be isolated thunderstorms today with
Okay Google, tell me a joke.
What do you get when you put a vest on an alligator? An investigator.
Haha. Okay Google, surprise me. Wow, that looks nice. I wonder what's inside.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help.
Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Google Play Music.
Hey Google, what song is this?
You're listening to Dark River bonus track by Sebastian and Verso.
Hey Google, play some Bollywood music.
Okay, here's a Google Play Music station called Bollywood Popular Hits.
won the IPL match today?
Kolkata Knight Riders will play Chennai Super Kings today at 8 p.m. For other matches, try asking about a particular team.
Hey Google, how far is the moon from Earth?
The moon is 384,400 kilometers from Earth.
Hey Google, who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Hey Google, what's his age?
67 years old.
Hey Google, set a 10-second timer.
Alright, 10 seconds, and we're starting now.
Okay Google, play the Unbiased blog videos on YouTube.
Sure, playing the Unbiased blog videos from YouTube on Master Bedroom TV.
Okay Google, forward 30 seconds.
Yes, it does resemble the iPhone 10 in every way, but isn't it a great thing to match the golden benchmark of smart?
Okay.
In this video, you would have figured out if you need a smart AI system for yourself or not. In my honest opinion, at the moment, a smart AI speaker is just like a smartwatch. You can totally live without it, but it's good to own one. Also, you would really not know all the benefits and use case scenarios till you own one. Before I got this surprise from Google India, I never knew that a device like Google Home would become such an integral part of my lifestyle and make me feel that how I survived without it for so long. But that could also be because I'm insatiable when it comes to owning gadgets or learning new things. So according to me, you should totally buy it. Also, a lot of people are asking me whether to buy Amazon Alexa powered Echo devices or the Google Home. My simple answer to them is Google Home because it's powered by Google. Where else do we look for information? Also, Google's ecosystem of devices will always be bigger than Amazon's. Currently, my made by Google ecosystem includes my Pixel XL, Pixel 2 XL. Also, I've been using the Nest camera for 3 years and Chromecast video and audio for more than a year. And at recently CES 2018, I bought the Google Wi-Fi mesh system, so you can clearly see how vast the Google ecosystem is. So that was our review of the Google Home Smart AI system that launched in India for Rs 9,999. It will be available online exclusively on Flipkart and over 750 retail stores like Reliance Digital, Chroma, etc. You can also buy the Google Home Mini online or offline for Rs 4,999. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog. Okay Google.
Okay Google, turn off the light.
Alright, turning off the Unbiased.